Hey, what's going on? It's Rory. It's been a while since I've had a video. Very long time. Anyways, a lot of stuff going on in the shop. Some new cars purchased. Some cars are gone now. It's usual thing with me. Stuff will come and go as all the time. So anyways, so today I just wanted to make a short video on a car I'm working on. 1969 Charger RT. One owner car. Guy bought it brand new. Parked it in 1982 because he said it wasn't running good on the gas back then. So he literally parked it. About 7 years ago, I believe, he started restoring it. It was a family affair. Him, his wife, and his daughter pulled the car all apart, did a bunch of stuff there on their own, had it repainted, everything. Sounded like it really didn't need to be repainted, but they repainted it anyways. Pretty much the car was more of a survivor than actually just a very nice car. A little better than a survivor. So anyways. So yeah, so they restored the car, got it going, and it's just been a bunch of issues ever since. They basically tried to do everything on their own. They had the engine built by a shop in the valley. It's going to remain nameless, but they are closed. They're no longer there. The person who owned it passed away. So anyways, good thing. I had a nightmare issue with that with the customer too, but besides that. Anyways, they rebuilt the 440 in it, put a roller hydraulic cam in it, which is all fine, but they put the factory stamped steel rockers on it. They didn't have the push rod length right. When he first got the engine back, he put it in the car. He went to go start it, wouldn't turn over, wouldn't crank. Come to find out, they put two main caps on backwards. Crazy stuff. Anyways, they corrected the whole thing. Come to find out, the radiator he got was no good. Somebody misassembled it. The divider plate in the top tank was backwards, changing the way the flow went and everything. So it was a whole big thing. Comp roller lifters, they were bad. There's a whole big bad run of those. It's common for those to go bad. So basically what we did was I pulled the motor out, went through it, made sure everything was good in the bottom end. That was all good. Pulled the valve train. Set of iron adjustable rocker arms, kind of like the factory used in a pre-60, the solid lifter cam motors back in the day. Put those in there, put a set of Johnson lifters in it, new set of push rods, got the geometry correct, got it back together, and got it running again, and it runs great now. Just had to adjust the valve in the power steering box, the pressure valve, because it was kind of pulling a little bit to the right. The assist was more to the right. Had to do that. Now all they got to do is put some mileage on it. The car only has 70. I put 20 miles on it yesterday. It ran great. And got to get back to the people to drive it. They've missed a few big shows. It's really sad. I mean, they wanted the thing going for that. At this point, they should have never even took it apart. I think they realized they should have just left it alone and just maybe rebuilt the heads, pulled the engine. We could have resealed it and did that. But anyways, hindsight's 2020. It is what it is. It's done. So gonna walk around the car and show you it. As you can see, it's got aluminum slots on it. He put these on in 1969. They're actually 14s. This was an original hubcap car. Orange. It's a late 69, so it has the blackout on the hood. Disc brakes in the front. 68 to 70. That's the one thing about Chargers. Everybody loves them. The engine's really nice. They did a very good job detailing this. It's really nice for a nice driver. Master cylinder. They had their original one rebuilt, but I think it needs to be replaced. It's starting to weep from the back, so I have to order one of those up. Electronic ignition in it, obviously. Put a Pertronics in it so you don't have anything on the firewall. There's not a lot of room on the firewall when you have air conditioning anyway, so the Pertronics work pretty damn well on this. Still has an ABS on it. Stock manifolds, single mirror car. Has a tack. All the gauge cluster was all redone. It's really nice. AM/FM car, like I said, air conditioning. Those are the original door panels. Console was replaced because he dropped it and he cracked it. It was such a shame. Steering wheel's original, no cracks in it. Even the door pockets, I don't want to pull on them, but they're really nice. The seats were redone, I believe. But the seat belts are all original and everything. Headliner was redone. Still has the original pain in the ass seat belts. Let's start it up. Take a walk around it. Runs really well now. Cam is pretty mild for a roller. I mean, I think it's 508 lift. I forget what the rest of the specs are on the cam, but it actually works pretty good in this. The stock carburation, we're gonna mess with the jetting on the carb once it gets some mileage on it. Let's take it for a drive. Tell even when they restored this car, it didn't have a lot of mileage. It's pretty tight to begin with. It's good. Drives nice and smooth. Drive it a lot. Like I said, it doesn't have a lot of mileage on it. The owner drive it more. Trip second gear, nice. Disc brake car. Stops really well. So one thing about 68 to 70B bodies, they're built really good. Very firm, like rigid, just really built well. No real rattles or anything. They use a lot of metal. And, the later B bodies, 71, 72, 71 to 74s, which are my favorite. They use more plastic in the interior. They got a little bit more creaks and rattles and stuff. E bodies, they're the worst. They creak and rattle all over. The hard plastic door panels are just, every time you shut a door in an E-body, I can have my eyes closed and somebody could bring me to one and shut the door and I'll know it's an E-body. Yeah, this really runs good. Just got to get it back to the customer and let them drive it. They got to put some mileage on everything. It's hard to put 20-something miles on it, but sometimes you just got to put more mileage than that to get the bugs worked out of them. I think we got all the bugs worked out now. I'm gonna stop and put some fuel in this thing. Slight hesitation off idle. Gotta play with the accelerator pump cam or rod. that's this 69 Charger RT. Just thought I'd put a video up. It's been a while. Show you the car. There's some other ones coming. I still have like 3 or 4 other cars I have to do videos on. Hopefully I can get back to that soon. So. Hope you enjoy the video. Take care.